Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn off Instagram Reels notification. Tired of receiving constant Instagram Reels notification? In this video, I'll show you how to turn off the Instagram Reels notification step by step. So let's follow these few simple steps together. The first step is to open Instagram settings. And to do that, just go to Instagram and tap on your profile picture. As you can see, I'm using a tablet version of Instagram, so it's displayed on the left middle, but if you're using a mobile version, it's gonna be placed on the middle right here, on the middle right, on the bottom right. Now after you access your profile settings, click on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. After that, select settings and privacy. Let's go to settings and privacy, search for it. Or we're just gonna search for notification in the search bar for easier. Let's type in the search bar. Let's search for notification. And we're gonna click on it. And here is the notification settings. Scroll down and tap on Reels and Remixes. Let's see Reels, Lives and Reels. We're going to click on it. And after that, we're gonna disable Reels notification. You can enable under Reel notification. You can turn off likes, comments, remix notifications, and recommendation just by toggling the switching between off and on again. As you can see, it's very easy. Just click on off, or if you want to turn this on, click on on. As for the third step is to turn off push notifications. And to do that, just go back to push notification settings and scroll to Instagram Reels and click on off. And that's it for today's tutorial. Now you know how to turn off Instagram Reels notification and avoid distractions. Follow these steps and enjoy a notification-free experience. If you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave comments below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.